This chicken is so crispy, you'll hear the crunch before you even take a bite. 500 g chicken bone-in mixed pieces. 1 cup buttermilk. 1 tablespoon salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons corn flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1 egg. Oil for frying. In a bowl, add 1 cup buttermilk, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika. Mix well. Add 500 g chicken into the marinade. Coat fully. Cover and rest for at least 2 hours. Overnight equals best. In another bowl, mix 1 cup flour, 2 tablespoons corn flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon salt. Take marinated chicken, dip in 1 beaten egg, then coat in flour mix. Press flour firmly on chicken for that crispy texture. Dip again lightly in marinade, coat again in flour. This creates layers equals extra crunch. Heat oil on medium. Oil should be hot but not smoking, 175 degrees Celsius. Fry chicken in batches for 15 minutes, flipping occasionally. Cook until golden brown and super crispy. Rest on rack, not tissue, to keep it crunchy. Be honest, KFC or this? Comment KFC or homemade. Let's see who wins.